Hello everybody. So we are outside for the first time with our 1970 Cuda tribute car. We built a tribute to a 446 barrel 4-speed car in FJ5 Limelight. It's a beautiful car, very stunning color, very bright outside, as you can tell. We went with the Carz SS and the TA radials. Just do a quick walk around on this thing and we'll fire it up. It's got a date-coded correct F440 HP engine with a comp cam's mother thumper cam in it that is just absolutely massive. You'll hear it in just a minute. I know I've showed you a couple of videos before, but this is the first time we've been outside with it, and I just wanted you to see how real pretty that car looks outside. It's funny because the trees and everything can kind of play with the colors a little bit. They change from side to side. But let's take a look under the hood. We will take the hood pin, and so under here you can see that everything is appearing OE. We did put a Silver Sport 6-speed transmission in it, so we have a hydraulic clutch. That's what that extra master cylinder there off to the side of the regular master cylinder is. But the rest of it's pretty much the way one would be if it was a real V-code 6-barrel car, right down to the shaker, the emblems, the shaker decal, the upper cowl blackout, which was correct in 1970. So what do you think, guys? Start this thing up and listen to that cam. What do you say? Got a little towel down here on the floor to keep the carpet from getting ruined. All right. There's our gauges, all working like they should. And let's go listen to that cam channel. So this car is a Graveyard Dreamz car where you call up and order what you want and I'll build it for you. The car was originally a 318 Grand Coupe that we converted over to look like a 446 barrel. Not just look like it, but all the suspension is the Hemi suspension as well. There's the interior. Like I say, we got the stupid mats in the way here. Pull that out. Pedal dress up kit, rally instrument cluster, rim blow steering wheel, starting instructions, lockout ignition, sleeve, new replica seats, trim panels. So let's close the hood and go for a ride.